Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are keep uploading videos on daily basis. Today our topic is how to see complete tasks on Asana. So this is very simple method, just follow all these steps. So first of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana. On the left side, multiple tabs. On the right side, the main interface of Asana. So let's begin our topic. First of all, what we need to do, just click on my tasks, and now you can see the all tasks we are working on it are available here. But now we will click on all tasks, and now you can see the completed tasks are available here. We will click there and just wait for a few seconds, and you can see the completed tasks are available here with weekly daily update. So you can find all the completed tasks here.